Okay, Daniel's installing the Link 25 right now. He and I reviewed the procedure together in the tech manual, and so first he's making sure that the label is level, on the O2 side, which is where you start for installation of Link 25. And he's tightening his set screws right now, and then from there he will make sure that the top of the chain is taut as he turns slightly the sprocket on the N2O to maintain that tautness while using his right hand to ensure that he still has the O2 knob all the way to its stop. He'll then very gently start to tighten the sprocket on the N2O needle valve. So that's what's going on right now, reinstallation of Link 25. And I mean, as everybody knows, after all of this, we have to verify our proportioning system. The Link 25 feature that prevents a hypoxic situation. So we will be verifying all of this through the tech manual and the GE procedures that we're provided with to do so, because everything will be done as per the tech manual. All right. So at any rate, you can kind of get an idea of how easy it is really to do this Link 25. It's not that difficult. If you're mechanically inclined, it even becomes simpler. We all have our skill sets, but even if you're not, this is easily mastered.